Yo, we're here. So today's video, I'm showing you guys why clipchamp is the best video editor for beginners like me, for example. But now I use something else, which I'll do in another video. But yeah, let's get right into it. Guys, clipchamp, you can download it from Microsoft Store. And yeah, once you download it, you're gonna go click on Microsoft Clipchamp. This is the logo if you guys don't know. But yeah, I used to use this like a lot. I used to use it, and basically, I here's some things I made some videos about. For example, this one over here, I made a video very recent, and yeah. So once I learned how to do video editings and stuff like that, then I like understood. But hold on, let me make, for example, let me delete this over here because I don't need that. I use another editor now. For example, let's see, we have a stock video over here. Let's check that out. And basically they have a lot of amazing stuff, very simple to use. So basically you can do two ways to place it here. Move your mouse, put it here, or you could do add your timeline. Boom, we have that. And let's see over here, full screen. Here's to play, here's like, subscribe, get notified. Pretty cool. And I don't think so you guys know, but in my super old intro, it has like a blue background and stuff. I used to use One Music if you guys are OGs and remember my old intro. So, was it this, I think? No, not this. It was something. Yeah, this is, you guys are very good memories, good memories. You guys remember this? Oh, that one's pretty cool if you ask me. And there's also one, not that. Yeah, this one. This is the super OG one. Yeah, that one was pretty clean if you ask me, guys. I still remember that. Pretty cool if you ask me. So you also have graphics over here. Pretty cool if you ask me. You have animation shapes and stuff. You have no, it's not annotation. Not animations, annotations. So backgrounds as well. Let's see. Uh, is it okay? You have this gradient one. Looks pretty cool if you ask me. Put that there. It's buffering, loading, and then have this over here. Pretty cool if you ask me. I really like it, not gonna lie. And you also have transitions, brand kits, you have text. I used to use this. You guys remember? Please tell me if you guys remember. I used to use it like that and change the name to Ibiza Games and make the color like super dark blue. Uh what are the colors? I not gonna lie, I even forgot how to do the colors and stuff. It's been, oh my god. It's been a while. Hold on. Let me. Yep, here it is. Background color. I used to make it something basically like, yeah, basically like this color. Oh my god, yeah. I used to make it like this and change the name to Ubisoft Games. And if you guys want my font, it's called Anton. And like, boom. You guys remember this? Yeah, that I used to use that. I used to use that. And you also have pretty cool ones. You have glitched version over here. Let's go. You have this over here. Pretty cool. I think I used it in one of my videos. I also used to use this in my intro, my super one, my insane one. I used to use this. Yeah. I used to use this one over here. Yeah, pretty cool, easy editor for, not gonna lie. I believe for beginners, if they want to do their editors and stuff, I believe they should do clipchamp. Just have social media ads. So I have these over here and stuff. This one looks pretty cool if you want a social media ad. There we go. Boom. It'll just place this stuff. It's loading this stuff. It might take a while. So, okay. There's one woman over there. That's I'm never gonna use that. But look at this. Searching for. Look how the animations are like insanely good. I love that. Look at that. That looks pretty cool if you ask me. But I will remove that ugly woman. Alright, not to be racist and stuff, but I will remove that woman, not gonna lie. I wanna remove her. Boom, that's much better. And I will do this, make it. I want no background color. No background. No background. Okay, whatever, but here it is. Yourbusiness.com and stuff. Pretty cool if you ask me. I like clipchamp was my favorite video editor once like I found out about it, and I said, "Oh my god, let's go." And yeah, I believe also you guys should use it as well. And yeah, make sure to drop a like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.